finally arrived at the Hard Rain Cafe. Nestled in the trees. Okay, we finally made it to the Hoh Rainforest after several years of planning.
Yay!
It's mossland. We're just going to take a little stroll. That's a good question. Fortunately, we came on a day when we're getting a combination of rain and sunlight. Wow. It's very mossy. Bernie. This is a viney trunk thing, as Don quoted it. And this tree goes way up there. This is really amazing. Very lush. It's like if you're a drinker. Going deep in contemplation. Just a wide mosquito bit her through her pants. I like the sound of the water. So we're in the rainforest, and it's sunny, but it's also raining. Beautiful.
Best vacation you've ever been on. They say Japan and Korea, or Spain and Portugal, African safari.
But not the Hoh Rainforest. So this giant, I guess it's a spruce, fell over, and And all the little babies started sprouting out the top. This is action mode. Throw as raw log. We're on the widest angle. Let's put it on wide. Let's see how that looks. It's a little bumpy. Definitely better on the wide angle.
You were content to let me shine.
We're about to come across an elk. Keep my voice down. It's right over there. Kind of looks like a horse.
So that's Sitka
Sitka spruce in a row.
and western hemlock straddles the remains of its nurse log. So there's a nurse log, you know what I mean, like a rotting log. Even if the nurse log has molted completely away, the buttresses, roots of the trees standing in a straight line would tell how the growth began. Farther along the trail, view the colonnade from all other angles.
Flying buttresses?
Colonnade.
But you said buttresses.
I think the trees buttress something I said.
Well, we've arrived in fairyland. Dawn is communing with the fairies right now. I'm pretty sure that they're living right over there beyond the curve in the embankment. In fact, if you look closely, I think you can see one right about there. This is like fairy jungle land. It's just amazing. That was just the first loop. There's still a whole nother loop to do. not sure that video really does this justice. Dog's gonna swack some cougars with that swacking stick. This is the moss trail. And we finally came to the moss zone. Wow, huh? This is the one you see on the photos. Wow. Look at the moss on those trees. So cool. This is the one that you come to see. We drove all this way and we planned for years. And we're finally here. Okay, let's go home. Okay, another bucket list checked off.
Hoh.
Yep, we just did Hoh